In this lecture, we'll be taking a look at formatting strings. So here we have some variables like 10, 20, and then some large integers and decimal numbers assigned to these variables A, B, C, and D. What we are doing over here is we are formatting them either using the format method or the format literal. So here you can see when we are saying the numbers are, and then two curly brackets are there. In this case, these are representing the two numbers A and B exactly in the same order. So A will be printed over here and B will be printed over here. Next, what we have done is we have made use of index position. So here you can see we are saying the numbers are 0, 1, and 0. Using this, you can repeat any number n number of times. So here in format, you're saying A and B. Now, as you're passing A as first value, so that's index value 0, B is going to be 1. Again, you're saying 0, so that will use A for this. Other way of formatting these numbers are assigning a variable name to the format method. So here you're saying format A equals A and B equals B, and then here you're saying A and B. That means this is going to print A and this is going to print B. You can swap it by changing the variable names over here, and the values will change here as well. Next, we have formatting numbers as large numbers are here. You usually format it with some comma separators to make it more readable, and to do that, all you need to do is inside the curly bracket put a colon and then the separator using which you want to separate this number. Other than that, if you are working with a decimal number, you can use dot and then the number of decimal places you want after decimal, and F is for decimal value. So here we have D, and this is what we are printing. Other way of doing all these things is just making use of the format literal. So as soon as your print statement start, inside that you have F and then the string literal, the numbers are, and here you are placing the variable itself. So it makes it a bit more readable and less clumsy if you compare it to format, but it's up to you to use whatever you feel like is more easy or convenient for you. So let's save this now and run it. There you go. You have the output coming up. You can see this number is now formatted with a comma separator, and here these are the numbers with 3 decimal places. Here you can see we had 2546, but here we have 255. So that is how we can use format method or format literal to format a given string.